I am going to do my nails at home. So we're going to use Be Tarte Box Nails, and this is 3-in-1 soft gel system, and is really good. It's 150 pieces and it's French style. That is what I like. And it is base coat, soft gel tip, and a tip primer. And then this is my cuticle pen. Once I am done, we're gonna use that cuticle oil. It's so good. And it has jasmine in it, and then this is the cuticle pusher, and also to trim around my cuticles. This is we're gonna use this to trim off some of the edges on the nails. I might do like an almond shape, I might. And then this is our glue right here. This one is Valtic. This is a nail glue and straightener, and this is really good. This helps with it helps to straighten your nails when you take off your actual nails. And then this is another glue as well. So I use both. So this is first, and then this is second. All right. I'm just gonna file it just a little bit. You know what? I'm gonna actually leave it like this without painting on top. I just beautiful. Well, just go on the nail. I just love a good French nail design. It's just so clean, you know?